Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber and this is About That Mama Life, and if you are new here, we do beauty and skincare videos, recipes, tutorials, and DIY videos like the one we're going to talk about today on how to distress your own jeans. Now I distress these in a really quick and easy way, and I'm going to show you my tips and tricks on how to do it in minutes and not hours. When I was researching how to distress your own jeans, I saw a shaving razor blade, sandpaper, scissor and tweezers, and the one thing that they all had in common was they took a lot of time. So what I did was use one of these little beauty razors, and I was able to achieve the distressed jean look in just a few minutes instead of taking hours. So if you want to learn how to do this, then let's get into it. Okay, so I've gotten this side started on getting the distressed worn out. Easy peasy. I'm going to show you how I did this on this side. So I'm just going to take a small razor. This is one of those little beauty razors you can get at pretty much any store. And then what I'm going to do is find the area that I want to distress. We're going to focus on this area here. I'm going to make a few little cuts. You can also use scissors if you want to make more of a big gaping cut. But if you want to leave most of the material intact and just have a lot of the white fibers, I'm going to start going this way, and you can see it's starting to wear the jean out. Make some cuts this way. And then once you've got your area, okay, once you've got the area distressed, I'm going to zoom you in a little. So you're going to take your razor, I already have some fluff on it, and you're just going to start kind of cutting away or shaving away the blue fibers. And you're going to start to expose the white fibers here. Okay, I just distressed this part. It takes me about 5 or 6 minutes per patch. And this is what I'm left with. I've got this patch here, and then a smaller one around the knee. I've got a larger patch, and then a little smaller patch here. Then I just distressed the pocket a little bit. And that is all using one of these little small cosmetic razors that you can pick up a 3-pack usually for $2 or $3 at any store. So here's the final product. I've got my holes distressed. They look really great on, as you could see, and it was very easy to do. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you learned something, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below and give me some positive feedback. That definitely helps. And if you're interested in this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. You can check out one of my other DIY videos here, and you can subscribe to my channel here. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I will see you soon.